Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can open Task Manager on Google Chrome. So here, why we open Task Manager, because of maybe there is some web page that can cause your Chrome not responding. Instead, you close all the browser, like you use this Task Manager. If you close or end process of Google Chrome, you will remove all the tab. You will close or completely the Google Chrome, and you need to repeat again, open the tab that maybe there's an important web that you don't want to be closed. Instead, you can do and process the web. Maybe if you close this is will not responding, so you can try use Task Manager on Google Chrome in order to end the process. So you can click three dots beside your profile, and here under more tools there is a Task Manager. So you can click it, and this is all the tasks that run on a Google Chrome background. This is the CPU usage, network usage, and this is the process ID. So you can choose which page that have a lot of process on the background. So maybe you want to close one of the tab here, for example. Let's get back. Just click on end process and the web will be closed. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.